Proportional and non-proportional situations. So a proportional situation is a multiplicative relationship. There's no adding or subtracting on it, and the exponent must be 1. This could also be written as y equals 1/5 x, and this can also be written as y equals x divided by 2. They're the same things, but it's written in the y equals kx format. Non-proportional relationships are when you have a y equals mx plus b format. So we have y equals x cubed plus 1, we have y equals 2/3 x plus 1, and y equals 4x. And in this particular case, we have our m is 2/3, our b is 1. Here our m is 4, our b is -2. These are both linear relationships. Okay, let's take a look at tables. With the tables, they have to have 0, 0 to be proportional because it has to go through the origin, and it has to be constant. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 20 divided by 10 is 2. 30 divided by 15 is 2. The k is 2. If you were going to write an equation for this, it would be y equals 2x. Okay, in this particular situation, 0, 1 does not pass through the origin. So you would have to find the slope of this, and in this particular case, you could do the change in y, 2 over 1 over 1 minus 0. You would get 1, and then the b would be 1, so it would be y equals x plus 1. All right, and the graphs. This is a straight line, and it passes through the origin. Remember, the origin is where the x-axis and the y-axis intersect at 0, 0. Non-proportional, it does not go through the origin. So this is a straight line, but it does not go through the origin. This does go through the origin, but it's not straight. All right, so let's look at an example. Determine if each of the following graph represents a proportional or non-proportional relationship. Okay, well, number 1 is a straight line, but it does not go through the origin, so non-proportional. And the reason why does not go through the origin. Okay, number 2. This is a straight line, and it does go through the origin, so it is proportional. Straight line, and it passes through the origin. Okay, number 5. Determine if each of the following equations represents a proportional or non-proportional relationship. This is a multiplicative relationship. There's no additive involved. It is proportional. The reason why, it's in the format of y equals kx, just multiplicative relationship. This is non-proportional. It's in the format of y equals mx plus b. This is non-proportional. It's also in the format of y equals mx plus b. This is non-proportional. Yes, it looks like a multiplicative relationship, but actually this is just a one-step equation. And if you divided both sides by 12, you would get d equals 3, and that's just a single point. So that's not a line. Okay, let's take a look at number 9 and 10 using the table. Well, it doesn't have 0 on either one of these. So we want to determine if it's proportional or non-proportional. So what we could do is we could see if it has a constant rate of change by doing k, y divided by x. So if we did 30 divided by 2, we get 15. If we do 90 divided by 8, we get 11.25. Right off the bat, it's not proportional because they're not the same. Okay, if we try number 10, k is y divided by x. So we have 1/5. If we have 8/40, 8/40 simplifies to, why did I write 1/8? That's 1/5. Then we have 13/65. That's also going to be 1/5. So this is a proportional relationship. If we were going to write an equation, it'd be y equals 1/5 x.